Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Dynamic Link for a full guide on seamless post-production. This powerful feature allows your Adobe applications to talk to each other directly, eliminating the need to render intermediate files. Imagine sending a sequence from Premiere Pro to After Effects and seeing changes update instantly. This saves countless hours and keeps your creative flow uninterrupted, streamlining your entire workflow. Before diving in, make sure your Adobe applications are all updated and compatible. This prevents common issues and ensures stability. Organize your project files, including all media assets, in a single, easily accessible folder. Begin your main editing work in Premiere Pro. Then, when a particular clip or sequence needs advanced effects, Dynamic Link is ready to seamlessly connect your work. A good setup ensures a smooth and efficient creative process. To link a clip, simply select the desired segment in your Premiere Pro timeline. Right-click on it and choose Replace with After Effects Composition. After Effects will launch automatically, generating a new composition that is directly linked back to your Premiere Pro project. You can then add complex animations, visual effects, or motion graphics in After Effects, and these changes will appear in Premiere Pro without any manual re-importing. It's incredibly efficient. The true power of Dynamic Link lies in its real-time updates. Any adjustments you make in After Effects, whether it's a color correction or a complex animation, are instantly visible in your Premiere Pro timeline. Similarly, if you dynamically link to Adobe Audition for audio sweetening, those changes are also reflected immediately. This constant connection saves hundreds of minutes and gigabytes of storage, allowing you to iterate quickly and focus purely on your creative vision. It's a game changer for speed and creativity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.